Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix night light option disabled or grayed out in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Cloud Store. Click and expand Store. Click and expand Cache. Click and expand Default Account. Right-click Blue Light Reduction. Click Yes. Right-click Blue Light Reduction. Click Yes. Close and exit registry. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.